Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Firstly, I wish to apologize to those who does not understand isiZulu, guys. These clips are in Zulu. I'm very sorry guys, but it's just this video. But you'll be able to understand what is going on here. They are removing illegal immigrants from their areas. And you who is sitting there doing nothing for your area, as they are chasing them away from these areas, they are coming to your area to terrorize your youth with powder and to sell counterfeits and expired goods to your children. Let's watch it, guys.
Do you have permission to work in South Africa? Do you have a permit? You don't have? Get out. Do you have a permit?
Yes.
Where is it?
I'm not working.
You should have a permit in your pocket. Where is it?
I'm not working.
You're not working? Get out. Why did you lie to me?
Skatel. Oh. Aye. Yeah. Mina nitelela kabi futhi na kuma social network niyatelela niqoqana nje phelele isikhathi. Baba, sheshe baba.
Operating in a big shop like that without a permit. No. So you must close.
No.
You must
Close
the shop.
this place.
Close the shop.
Close
the shop. Okay, we are going to close for you.
How much your lock is?
And let's buy that lock and lock.
If you want to close
Lock them
by
outside.
yourself, we are going to close. Buy the lock.
We are not buying the lock. We're changing the
Are we locking you inside?
You want to lock you inside? Huh? Want to lock you inside? Huh? No, we can lock you inside. If you don't want to come out, we can lock you inside.
How much is this thing? How much is it?
Operating in a big shop like that without a permit.
Ayivale baba, ayivale ikhupha, ayivale. Ubusipho loyo. Ayivale. Baba, wayivule lento yes. Don't ever open here. You open is war. You open here next time is a fight. Le make yavula nisitshele siyabuya la kasheleni sesifikile lomgwaqo longathi kwama Burundi. The other one bekuyi Burundi lezandla nalo iBurundi olandelayo iBurundi. Hayi South Africa has turned to Burundi. Hayi let him go. Angcono buqedile bras. Hayi bafethu hayi ama-out ngasekhaya wazogunda inwele bafethu hayi. Ama-Burundi awahambe manje hayi. Zonke inhlangano bafethu asibuye zize la eMzimkhulu zizosiza ngani ngoba sifuna ukuthi sibe nemashi izoba nkulu la eMzimkhulu eyokukhipha abantu bokufika. Umuntu wokufika la eMzimkhulu akaphume ahambe. Abantu bakithi eMzimkhulu sebeyayazi imisebenzi eminingi, sebeyawazi ukudayisa nokwenzana kunama-flat amaningi la. Uthola kuba lama-flat la ahlela abantu abokufika. Labantu bokufika laba sebeyadayisa abanezinto la eNakungeni. Nalamanje yagcwele la akasabaqasha abantu bakithi, aqasha labantu bokufika.
So guys, these are different clips from different communities. As I said earlier, if you are sitting there folding your hands, ubukela abanye abantu besebenza beklina imiphakathi yabo, bevikela izingane zabo, bevikela abantwana babo from these people ukuthi befike bezothengisela izingane zethu izinto eziexpire, izinto ezinopoison ezizoyibulala. And when you are sitting there watching on your phone, watching on TV, it's coming to your area. Uzozisola cause labantu njoba bebaleka, they are not going back to their countries. We all know that ukuthi as they are chasing them away like this, they are not packing and going back to their countries. They are coming to your own area. Beza kuwena bazodestroya imiphakathi yenu, and yazi ukuthi, and you must know ukuthi once i-community yaba nama illegal foreigners, i-youth yalapho is destroyed. They run illegal spaza shops, they sell fake alcohol to your children, they sell izidakamizwa to your children, even the cigarettes they are selling to these kids. We all know ukuthi this cigarettes abawuthengisayo is fake, and they are selling these cigarettes to our kids. A child is a child. I'm always saying these things, and you'll hear them saying, you South Africans, you don't know how to raise your children very well. If I don't know how to raise my children, why are you taking advantage of that? As a brother, as we are claiming ukuthi we are brothers and sisters, why are you destroying a child of your sister, a child of your brother? Are you not the ones that are claiming that we are brothers and sisters? So if you see that I failed to raise my child very well, why are you taking advantage of him or her? Is this child not supposed to be your nephew or your niece? Are you not always claiming that we are brothers and sisters? Are you not an uncle to that child? So as a brother and an uncle to that child, why are you not helping me, your sister, to raise that child? That naughty child, because you can see that your sister is failing to raise that child very well. So as my brother, I'm not expecting you to take advantage of my child because of my weakness. You are taking advantage of my weakness now to make money, using my child to enrich yourself. What kind of a brotherhood is that? And if you see my child standing at the corner somewhere smoking, you are supposed to be disciplining that child instead of feeding him with powder. Why are you doing that to your sister? Can you allow me to go to Ethiopia to feed your children with powder, to feed your children with counterfeit goods? Can you allow me to do that? Unalive your children there, and you will continue to call me your sister? No, guys. This has to stop. We welcomed you very well in our country, thinking that you are truly our brothers and sisters. We gave you shelter. We gave you places for you to run your businesses. We even supported your businesses. Then you turn against us. What have we done wrong to you? Even until today, after unaliving our children, turning our children into zombies with powder, you are still with us in our communities. If we were wicked like you, will you still be here? Because remember, Ramaphosa, Malema, those people are betraying you. They are not showing you the way. They are not telling you the truth. Because if they are busy forcing you to stay here, and they can see Uguti South Africans are very angry, they don't want you here anymore, and they are busy forcing you to stay, and you are listening to them. And if anything happened, you start blaming South Africans. And we are telling you nicely, Uguti, we are enough now. We welcomed you very well because we thought we are brothers and sisters. After realizing, Uguti, no, easy taktin. City, go back to your countries. Then you listen to Malema, you listen to Ramaphosa, you listen to all those who are lying to you. You listen to Thabo Mbeki, you listen to all those who are lying to you. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you. Bye.